If you like the idea of gliding above the waves on electric hydrofoils but would prefer to sit down, the Finnish company Foil One has released the Pegasus, a sporty electric hydrofoil boat inspired by vintage Formula One race cars. Despite hydrofoil technology being over a century old, there's still something sci-fi about a boat that rises from the water and flies above the waves. The company has developed a new steering mechanism that reportedly mimics the intuitive feel of controlling a high-performance motorcycle. It features separate left and right controls, and the system is designed to make electric hydrofoil control accessible to both beginners and experienced pilots. The single-seater vessel is made from carbon fiber for lightness and strength. It has been cast into an aerodynamic shape reminiscent of 1950s Formula One race cars, or perhaps even vintage aircraft, merging historical elegance with modern boldness. The 18.8 kilowatts electric propulsion system at the rear can propel the boat to a maximum speed of 30 knots, with a cruising speed ranging from 18 to 22 knots. Two 5-kilowatt-hour Torqeedo battery packs provide power, and Foil One reports that users can enjoy over 2 hours of electric thrills on a single charge. With batteries on board, the Pegasus weighs 200 kilograms, while without them, it weighs 128 kilograms. The boat's height is controlled automatically through a mechanical system that primarily uses a surface sensor to adjust the flap. The flap is located in the front wing, which also serves as the steering wing. The pilot does not need to steer the boat, it's fully automated, so you only need to worry about maneuvering the vessel. The boat is reported to be very maneuverable, capable of sharp turns, hard carving, and even leaning at angles of 45 degrees or more. As an electric foiler, it can likely be used in areas where internal combustion engine boats are prohibited. It leaves little to no wake and operates relatively quietly. The boat itself costs around $150,000. Each handcrafted e-foiler will be made to order, allowing for a degree of customization and personalization. However, the listed price does not appear to include the cost of the batteries and the Torqeedo charger.